Zap, man. So, for tonight, may nag-share ng thoughts niya. So, I'll share with my mom. Here's my mom. Anong masasabi mo ngayong Christmas?
Christmas?
Hawakan mo. Share ka lang. Ano masasabi mo ngayong Christmas?
I feel happy and blessed.
Sabi ko na, para malay manood. Happy and blessed lang?
Ha?
Happy and blessed lang?
Happy and blessed.
Kasi?
Kasi magbabakasyon ako sa Pilipinas mag-Christmas.
Ayun. Pero secret yung date.
Yes.
Secret yung date.
Yes, secret the date. So that I will surprise my husband.
Lagot. Patay.
God bless. Hope, wish and pray. I leave my 3 daughters. They are
Tagalog mo na.
they are
Tagalog mo na.
they are enjoying the season of Christmas even when I'm away from them. And wish and pray. They are always stand firm their faith to God and align their life and faith to God and foundation their life to God. That's all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We love you all. Peace be with you.
Yan, so may thought ang nanay ko ngayon. And we're going to pick her medicines. Babaunin niya kasi after her open heart surgery here in Doha, of course, it has been successful. Yan, kaya pinayagan siya magbakasyon for a while checking all yung kailangan niya. So, yan. Ito ang thought natin for today. I always with my mom kasi ako yung kapalit ko ng anak. Wala dun sa sa mga ganda ng mga anak. Ako lang. Thank you. God bless everyone. Ingat palagi.